Hey, yo, Kohler, tell them what we're gonna do.
We're gonna go get a new bed.
Like, for the truck.
Yeah.
So back when Christ was a foot soldier, and I bought this truck, it had a little bit of like a 7th grade blemish on its face. And y'all are very familiar with what it is. It might be the big old dent in the side of the bed, right? So you can see that we got the good old spray paint, some like, what do they call it? Hey, yo, what's the kind of spray paint we snort? Okay, well, we can't think of it. Spray paint right there. All up in here. So we're gonna go get a new bed. We found one at the local junkyard, and it's gonna look mint.
Send it! Send it!
Yeah.
Rice maker! I hate Civics.
I like them.
I like them.
Oh, so that was an adventure in itself. We're here at the Pick and Pull. We didn't film anything about getting this bed, but we found this mint bed. Only thing that's wrong with it is this gas cap right here. We'll just use mine. And this is how we decided I wanted to rig it up. It's mint, dog.
Crazy.
Look, there's no big dent. It's gonna be sick, except I think it's darker. It's totally darker.
Oh, it ain't?
Kinda.
Yeah, it is.
It's alright. It's alright, we can work with it. But we gotta strap it on down. We're only gonna use one, so hopefully we make it home without getting pulled over.
One strap.
One strap attached. She's all strapped down, and she's actually kind of sturdy. She's pretty sturdy, actually. I mean, the whole truck's moving. But yeah, they're welded together now. So, hopefully we don't get pulled over. Let's go. We're making good progress. We haven't been pulled over yet.
Hey.
Hey! That Hyundai at the Pendum thing. Gotcha. Okay. That was awful. So we got the bed off. You should have seen the dismount. The dismount was incredible, huh? Yeah, there was a whole bunch of shit going on. But we're just gonna get this bed onto this, and this one, I don't know what we're gonna do with it. Who knows? Probably make it like some kind of trailer. That'd be sick. But yeah, right now it's just a matter of picking up this here wrench and, you know, just saying, but yeah, you kind of get it.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No.
So, one way to take your bed off. First, there's a couple steps. You gotta take out these 6 bolts. They're T55 Torx bit. So you got to take that off, all 6 bolts out, and then there's going to be 4 screws, so 2 in here on the inside, and then 2 here on the outside. You can see where they are on the outside, right there, and then on the inside they connect right there. And then it's just as easy as taking off the filler neck, and then you're all ready to take the bed off. It's easier if you have a friend, but you can do it yourself if you don't really care. And then also, just for make sure that the rear lights are getting power, you have to unplug this little harness right here. So here's the female side and here's the male side. Be sure to unplug that because that could get you held up really bad. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Alright, bed's coming off.
Choke you down just like a pill.
The same process, just reverse.
Take you like a pill.
Alright, and then when you finally get everything on, you just want to make sure that the holes line up, of course. So, looks like the holes are good right there. Holes are good.
this way.
Good. I mean, this bed still has some work, but we're gonna be working on that in a little bit. Like, it's got some scratches, obviously. It's not a dual sport. I don't even know what dual sport means, but I know it's not it. Just because it's a ridiculous base model. But yeah, it should be solid truck all in all. I'm glad it was. Glad I bought it. Yep, steal the deal. Steal the deal.
But you know I never will. No, so I choke you down.